everyone, I'm back with a bang with a very special recipe that's thali special. And before I get into the recipe, just wanted to convey to you that I would like to come live for my Simple Mom Simple Cooking show. So if you would like to see me live, just let me know so that I can gear up for the show and come live on one particular day. So just let me know and let's come to my kitchen and let's start with the recipe. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm starting with the thali special. First I'm sharing yellow moong dal recipe. For that we need to soak 1 cup of dal overnight, and then in a pressure cooker add the soaked moong dal and add few chopped onions and tomatoes, and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, little bit of hing, few garlic cloves, and add enough water and pressure cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see the cooked consistency, it's very thick, so we need to add enough water for a semi thick consistency, and then add the tadka, that's the tempering. For that I've added in a oil mustard seeds, jeera, chopped pudina leaves and split green chilies, and once it crackles put it into the dal, and your super delicious and super yummy yellow moong dal is ready. Now the next recipe is badam garlic chicken gravy. For that we need to soak few badam in hot water for more than an hour, and take around 3 to 4 onions, we need to split that, and few onions, tomatoes, and chop them well. Then in a pan take oil around 2 tablespoons and saute the onions till it becomes brown. Once it becomes brown, add the tomatoes. I've taken 2 tomatoes, and keep stirring till it becomes mushy. And then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as per taste, and mix with the onions and tomatoes well till the raw smell of the masala goes. And once it is mixed well, switch off the gas and let the mixture cool completely, and grind the onion and tomato mixture along with the pudina and the badam and water, and grind it to a fine paste. Then add little oil in a pan and just saute the cubed onions for garnish, and then keep it aside. And then in the same pan add few tezpatta, that's bay leaf, 1/4 cup of crushed garlic, and then put it into the pan and keep stirring till it becomes brown. Once it becomes brown, add the ground masala. We have added little water and we have ground the masala. Keep stirring it. and then add around 1 kg of boneless chicken and keep mixing the mixture well. And once you have mixed well, add 2 tablespoons of curd and give it a good mix and cook for 45 minutes on low flame or until done. And now towards the end you need to add the sauteed diced onions for the additional taste, and a super delicious and super yummy thali special badam garlic chicken gravy is ready. So for the thali I have served the chicken masala, plain rice, and this is snake guard curd sabzi. This recipe is already shared in my previous video, and yesterday I've shared the kulfi, so you can check for reference, and the dal is already shared right now with you all. So please relish this yummy and super tasty thali and give a thumbs up. Follow me on Insta and FB too. For detailed recipe, please check the description box. Thank you.